Good morning, everyone. Steve Georgie here from Allendale's trading floor. It is May 19th. We've got the grain markets taking a step back here today, down 4.5 for corn, beans down 3 to 4 cents, and then wheat giving back 11 cents. As of right now, we've seen a great rally for wheat. Now starting to see us peel back maybe a little bit. These cooler temperatures that were to move through the Dakotas and upper parts of Minnesota certainly did last night. They didn't get in certain areas not as cold as what some of the forecasters were predicting, but still the effects of how much damage was done, if any, to the extent of all this is still unknown. So, but looking at North Dakota as a whole, that's where they had gotten most of these areas that did dip down below freezing. North Dakota is our #1 spring wheat producing state. Produces about 6.3 billion bushel out of North Dakota. #2 producing state is Montana at 2.8 billion. So the impacts there on spring wheat could actually be pretty great if there is damage, or if there is, if we do end up seeing some kind of problems there. So it is going to be watched pretty quickly, or pretty close. We've seen a nice rally already, but is it a buy the rumor, sell the fact type idea? We know we have to kill off wheat a couple times before it even, before harvest. You know, well, here in this case, we've just got it planted. Seems like we could be doing it now, but keep an eye on that. Over the next few days, we'll see what kind of impacts we had on this, on these cooler temperatures. Also something today affecting the grain markets is the dollar. The dollar is strong. It's up at $1.16 right now. The euro sharply lower. A lot of concerns right now over Greece debt and some of the impacts that it may have if we see them default again. So we're back talking about Greece's debt problems and how that's going to impact the euro, and that's got the dollar stronger this morning as well. We did have some sales of old crop beans to China, 132,000 old crop beans to China. We may get a little jump from that, but I think some of these other things are going to actually impact this a little heavier today than our sale to China. So looking at livestock, though, up 32 cents right now for cattle. Box beef coming in mixed. Choice up 99, select down 68. We did have show list numbers that increased 15,000 head is what was out yesterday. So the expectation, though, as of right now, some of the chatter is maybe $1 to $2 lower this week as far as cash. Something else that we really have to watch, the World Trade Organization. There was a story out yesterday morning talking about that they could end up taking some action here and leading to some trade sanctions on this beef yet, and that may impact things more negative here up front. So we'll see what happens over the next couple of days. It was a story that was out yesterday. Doesn't seem like the market right now is too concerned as of yet, but something to certainly watch. As far as hogs, down 35 cents. Cutout values up 91, but we do have hogs taking a back seat right now. We went to some very good technical areas, maybe seeing the cash market slow down a little. But overall trends are still looking pretty good. Look for some support here at a little lower levels out of hogs. Stock market 27 points higher, relatively quiet. New highs, though, once again. Crude oil down $1.10. Some of the implications from the higher dollar, I think, over the last couple of days. But we also have the dollars I mentioned, $1.16 higher, very strong. Gold and silver falling here this morning. Gold down $14, silver down 35 cents. And finding a little pressure as well. But give us a call if you have any questions. Reach us here at 800-262-7538 or on the web at allendale-inc.com. Hope you guys have a great day. We'll talk to you again tomorrow. Take care.